Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you're watching this video, then you must be searching for a way to protect your flooring where your office chair sits. And this is the Dimex office chair mat for a low pile carpet. I have it in the 36 by 48 and in the clear color. It comes rolled up in a box, so you do need to work a little bit at flattening it down, but I didn't have any problem, and I found that it stayed flat relatively quickly after unpacking. I really like how durable this material is, and also the fact that it has those little spikes underneath so it does not move around, which is so annoying when you have a mat for your office chair and it rolls around. This one really stays put with those little spikes, and it is designed for a low pile carpet, which is exactly what I have here in my office. And so it really is doing a good job of protecting the floor from my office chair wheels. So this has turned out to be a fantastic option for my office. My chair wheels roll around really easily on this surface. It doesn't move, but it also protects the floor. So it's definitely a win-win, and that is my point of view.